This is not just a bodybuilder, it's a source of inspiration, representing strength, confidence, and genuine masculinity. This bearded figure has captivated social media with his bold, sculpted, and unapologetically hairy body. The waves behind him reflect the power he executes strong, steady, and commanding. He exemplifies that discipline leads to greatness and that self love not raise confidence. By embracing his natural physique, he redefines fitness not only through muscles but also through his presence with a fearless spirit and an unchanging mindset. He encourages others to embrace their bodies and life with parent purpose and strength. His name is Mr. Mardonio Meneses. Stay strong, stay true, be iconic. See you at the next video, next topic, dear viewer. Okay, take care of yourself.